Currently, Alya allows you to connect Google Ads within the platform. I will introduce step by step how to connect your Google Ads account to Alya. First, click the drop-down menu at the top right. If you click Settings, you will arrive at the admin page of your organization. Click the Add New button in the Data Sources section. After authoring your Google account, click the Submit button so Alya can access your Google Ads marketing data. If you want to connect your web traffic data by installing Alya JavaScript in your website, please refer to Alya Installation Guide. When you successfully connect your Google Ads data to your organization, you are ready to create your advertiser. To start, click the Create Advertiser button, select the appropriate category and click Create. Congratulations, your first advertiser has been created. If you click the name of an advertiser from this table, it brings you to each advertiser's admin page. You can also create and connect multiple advertisers depending on your plan in the future. Here, I'm going to connect your advertiser data to Alya. Click the Add New button from Data Connections. Here I will select Google Ads as an example. Select your advertiser's Google Ads MCC account number, and click the Submit button. The connection is now complete. Connection times may vary depending on the amount of data.